Hello, YouTubers and YouTube artists. My name is Louis Ting Chang, and welcome to my video. It's gonna be how to draw a graffiti character with color, with mixed media and b-boy and radio. And when you see me drawing, very important when I start me drawing the figure, you have to practice, learn how to draw the human figure. I start with the head, I start with the body. The proportions of the character is basically 3 heads tall. So from there, I just the head the same height of the torso. The legs are the same height of the legs. The head is actually the same height of the head. The legs, excuse me. And then divide it, in half, and then the character, like, I think the head is tilted down a bit, so it's gonna see more of the top of the head. And I see I'm adding some of the glasses too. Square them up, but you have to keep in mind that when you start drawing, you have to sketch it as like a gesture drawing, and build it up from there. And draw lightly. I'm restating it the drawing, meaning that I'm drawing lightly until I'm satisfied with the complete figure. So the pencil I'm using in this HB, and that's the pencil I use just to draw all drawings, and that's the only lead pencil I have, because you go to any art store, you're gonna find like all different values of pencils, but the whole comes with the whole pack, and I'm really into one pencil value. So, but you see, he's holding. You notice that the character is holding a radio, and that's what he's holding. But first, start with a simple little box, a rectangle box. And you see, I noticed that I'm beginning to do the gold chain. Something that back in the days, that when I was young, it was very popular to wear a rope chain. That's what was called back in the days. I'm kind of old fashioned with that, and I just like doing that from my generation. So that's how I draw my b-boy characters. But if you know that the basic design of the whole outfit was based on ski boot, and from there I just stylizing the whole design, just change it around completely. So just go in Google and check out any things that you're interested in, some particular design. So I just basically take that and went with it. I just used my little imagination, and I designed the whole outfit just based on the ski boot. And over here you see me drawing very lightly the radio. Now as I go down the drawing, I'm basically drawing the feet, and actually back in those days I was taught to be like all the kids from in school teach me how to draw a b-boy character. It was like big head and small little body and big ass feet. And then, as you know, the sneaker was actually drawn from a basic reference of a ski boot, but I mean as a sneaker. So I made a lot of changes of the design of the sneaker. Instead of using shoelaces, I used some of the buckles from the ski boot, and I made lots of changes here. And if you have trouble designing something, just look at stuff and look at fashion, just to have an idea. You know. Yeah, so if you like this video, just give it a like and share the video to all your friends who want to know graffiti character and graffiti in general. And make a comment. If you want to have any questions, just ask me, and I'll tell you any question you ask me. Now, this is the particular drawing. Once I finish, I press down the pencil as a line drawing. And over here, I start, once I'm satisfied, I look at the drawing, line drawing. Okay, I start erasing it. Once I finish erasing it, you notice that the lines are still showing. Now I'm working on the inking stage, and I use for markers first. When this is the first one I use. Only when it comes to mixed media, we actually use pencils and then ink first. and then I'll use color pencil. So first I actually add in the colors in the drawing itself. Okay. When it comes to like the rest of the artwork, the skin, I will use color pencil to add the midtone, which is the shadows. That's something when I first work on the inking stage first. And over here, I just for the trim, I add a little bit of the red, because in this particular piece, the colors I'm using would be red, green, and black, and some white, like in the soles of the sneaker. And I have a habit of coloring. When I color, I like to outline, and for me, I think it helps me color better. You know what I'm saying? That way I don't go off the line. And I'm using a green marker, and that's what I'm using now. But as you know that I noticed I was using red, and it's just a compliment. So it was darker than the color, but it was not working out with the color press I was using. So I would usually be using black for the green shades of the green around the jacket. And then here's the black marker, and it's red and green and black. So like I know, so I always I think it's best to like when you color doing circles, but I guess this particular marker may be able to cover a lot. For the sunglasses, I will use a little bit white on the edges, and that's gonna be it's not gonna be completely black, so it's gonna add the white color pencil on the left side of the drawing, because the light source is coming from the left side. Now over here I do add black, and I actually completed the whole outfit. Now I use when it comes to the radio, I use like shades of gray, at least 2 shades of gray. And this right here, I'm beginning to ink, and I will outline for the whole drawing, and after that I will go thicken on the lines to make the lines a little bit thicker. That's how I ink my inking stage. So to give it more like depth, and won't be like just one solid thickness. But for now, put on some music. I will stay tuned, because I'll be back, and I will speak for more. I will talk some more on the color pencil stages. Okay, over here I add besides using the red, wasn't not working out, so I used to use the black for just to get the shadow of the hat. And in skin color, I just use another brown to make the skin color. And over here, I decided to use white, just like I said before. It stands out, showing a light side of the pants. And I decided to use red and green. Red for the warmer color, so it's gonna be more into the foreground. The green for the shadows. Shadows are best to like green for the shadows. Holding the radio. That's the title. The date is 12/22/24. The media is mixed media, and size 8x10. Okay, this is the drawing. Hope you like it. Give it a like, give it a share, make a comment, and subscribe to my channel. My name is Louis Sing Chong. Thank you for watching.